Nothing can resist a human will that will stake its existence on its purpose. Shortly put, do it or die. Promise yourself you'll go for it till you understand it. You'll practice it till you know. Never give up until, however long that is. Step by step, piece by piece, go for it. Don't miss the chance to grow. And resolve that you'll pay the price. Still, learn, change, grow, come.
To know what you want. To understand why you're doing it. To dedicate every breath in your body to achieve. If you feel you have something to give, if you feel that your particular talent is worth developing, is worth caring for, then there's nothing you can't achieve.
When you say whatever price I must pay, I will do it. When the pressure within you is greater than the pressure outside of you. When you are willing to get yourself out of the way, where you stop worrying, where you begin to trust, you get still and begin to know that you are entitled to this. You're supposed to have this. This is your calling. This is the reason that you are here. This is your time. When you refuse to turn around because of obstacles, when you no longer focus on the obstacles, when you no longer care what people think or what they might say, when you no longer find the need to seek their approval, it's done. It's done. It's done, ladies and gentlemen. It's done. It's done in you before it happens out here. When the going get tough, the tough get going.
You like I'm done right now, E. I can't hardly breathe, E. I'm going through it. I'm trying to tell you that while you're going through your go-through, I'm here to let you know that some beauty can come from that. I'm saying that even in your darkest moments, that beauty can come from death. That more life can come from death. You're not a victim. Stop talking victim talk. Stop talking about I can't, I quit, I don't think I can make it happen, it's impossible. Stop talking like that and start believing. The darkest hour is just before dawn, so you better not give up. You better not quit. You might be 3 inches from your goal. You might be 3 yards from your goal. You might be 30 yards from your goal. And if you quit now, you give up now, you may never reach your reality. You're at the darkest place in your life right now. Hold on. Don't give up. Don't quit.
Everybody can stand up and do good when everything is all good. But everybody can't face opposition, adversity, to say, I've been waiting on you to come, I'm going to embrace you, and I'm going to figure out a way to use you because you will never turn me into a different person that people don't recognize before the adversity. So when we hit things that brings us a certain level of discomfort and that hurts us, we have to figure out, how can I use it? You see, my football career ended, but my reason for why I lived my life, it never did. I just had a paralyzed right arm and hand. My mentality wasn't paralyzed. My spirit, my drive, my commitment, the opposition that life sent to break me, I wear it as a badge of honor. I just had an extra boost of energy for why I lived my life. It's all about perspective. It's never about what we go through. It's how we view what we go through. But every single day, I'm blessed to be above ground. I'm going to make my time count, and I'm going to give something valuable back to life.
If you keep doing things the way you've always done them, you'll keep getting what you've always got. Insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over, looking for different results.
To get something you never had, you have to do something you never did. Do you have the guts to fail? If you don't fail, you're not even trying.
I don't care where you come from, find a way to get there. You use everything you have. It's not the size of the dog in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the dog. You gotta have heart. You can't do it coming up with excuses. You play like you got heart. Play big. We believe that you're capable, that you're able, but we need leaders now, no more followers. You can have whatever you want, you can be what you want, you can do what you want, but you can't do it making excuses.
It does not take talent. You don't have to be talented. You don't have to be gifted. You don't have to be the quickest, the strongest. You don't have to be the most intelligent to get to where I am. That's what you gotta do. You just gotta grind though. Your grind. You gotta out-grind. But you have to decide in your position, you have to make a decision that nobody in this league in your position will outwork you. You have to take advantage of an opportunity of a lifetime in the lifetime of the opportunity. You have an opportunity right now that you'll never have. You better not lose this. This is an opportunity of a lifetime. Your grandma counting on you. Your mama counting on you. Your cousins, your brothers and sisters are counting on you to cash in on this opportunity. Everybody want to be a beast until it's time to do what beasts do. The first level to success in life, the very first level, is you seeing it. Like it's clear to you. You know exactly what you want. You know exactly when you want it. You know exactly what it tastes like. You know what it looked like. Before you really blow up, and you get success, you literally have it in the palm of your hand without having it. What does your dream look like? What does it smell like? What does it taste like? The problem with some of y'all is you want somebody else to support your dream. It's yours. I don't owe you a dime. It's your dream. If you wanted to have it, get your butt up and make it happen. If you wanted to have it, rise and grind. I ain't put my dream on nobody else, and I don't care what nobody think about my doggone dream. This is my time. This is my moment. Tomorrow. Ain't no such thing as tomorrow. We only got today.
You cannot let a fear of failure, or a fear of comparison, or a fear of judgment stop you from doing what's going to make you great. You cannot succeed without this risk of failure. You cannot have a voice without the risk of criticism. You must go out and you must take these risks. None of it comes easy. Be willing to fail. Fail, pick yourself up, and fail again. Because without this struggle, what is your success anymore? Look, as best we know it, we have one life. In it, you have to trust your own voice, your own ideas. Through this, you'll find your way. Just don't let fear stop you. Live like this as best you can, and I guarantee you will look back on a life well lived.